Hello everyone, and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can fix device not recognized on Instagram. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. So first of all, verify the login attempt. When Instagram doesn't recognize the device, it may send a security alert. Here is what you can do. First of all, check your email. Instagram often sends an email to the registered email address asking to confirm whether the login attempt was you. Check your phone. Instagram may send a push notification if it recognizes the unusual activity. Tap on the notification and follow the steps to verify the login. Enable two factor authentication. To enhance security and prevent this issue in the future, enabling two factor authentication will let Instagram recognize your device more easily. Steps to enable 2FA. Open Instagram and go to your profile. Tap the menu icon in the top right corner and select Settings. Select Security, two factor authentication, and then tap Get Started and choose either authentication app or text message. Clear cache or reinstall the Instagram app. Sometimes the error might result from a glitch with the app. You can try clearing the app's cache or reinstalling Instagram. For Android, if you want to clear the cache, just go to Settings, App, Instagram, and then Storage, and then you can clear your cache. And for iOS, just go ahead and click on Settings, General, iPhone Storage, Instagram, and then tap Offload App or Delete App. Updates Instagram. Make sure you are using the latest version of Instagram, as outdated version may cause login or security issues. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.